Hello, create fascinating video with AI. Let's go. First, you need to create a story. You can create a story with yourself, or you can get help with AI, chatbot, come ChatGPT, Claude, or Google AI Studio. Let's go. I am create a story. Write me a story where a cat catching fish in the river. Just, just a second. It will create a story from the story. Then I'll create a script. Okay, story is done. Write me script 8-second videos clip with cinematic style. Okay, my script is ready. Now copy the script, go to Gemini. You will log in with your Gmail address, a fresh Gmail address. Then you will log in Gemini. Gemini, Gemini will create your video with voice. Then select for video, select 2.5 flash. Select a video, paste your script, enter. Your video is generating. Just take it. Just take 1 to 2 minutes. It's fantastic video. You can free generate.